At Combi, safety is our top priority. Always use proper lifting techniques and seek assistance when handling heavy components. With the help of one or two assistants, carefully uncrate the OneWrap from its shipping container. Use a 17mm wrench to remove the 4 bolts securing the fork pockets to the crate and remove the protective plastic sheeting. Using a forklift, insert the forks into the back side of the fork pockets and lift the unit high enough to remove all remaining crate materials. Move your OneWrap to an open area where you can safely stand the mast and prepare for final assembly. Locate and remove the top and front cover plates from the bubble wrap, along with the hardware and manual. Attach the top cover to the machine. With 1 or 2 assistants, carefully stand the mast upright, ensuring that the wires are clear. Then, secure the mast to the base plate using the supplied hardware. Use a forklift to move the OneWrap to its final location. Plug in the machine and turn on the main power switch. Press the blue flashing button to reset the system. Press the manual mode button and move the carriage up. Once the carriage is clear, install the front cover plate. Then, lower the carriage back to the home position. Following the film routing diagram on the carriage, install the film onto the stem. Open the carriage door and guide the film around the pre-stretch rollers. Close the carriage door. Place your first load onto the platform, ensuring it is centered. Attach the film to the load. Set your desired wrapping parameters and press start. Your OneWrap is now ready to use. For more detailed instructions, safety guidelines, and troubleshooting, please consult your OneWrap user manual or log on to combi.com.